विसह उपरांत येवकार पत्रकाराचेर कसल्याय बाबतीचो दबाव आनी बंदी घालप सारकें न्हय. कसल्याय चुकीचेर माफी म्हण आसता. मात हें सगळें करिनासतना ताचेर CBI इन्क्वायरी करप हें योग्य न्हय म्हण कुडतरीचो आमदार एलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड उलयला. RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान कॅन्झल रॉड्रिगीस आनी निलेश परवार.
And CID and crime has been calling him. I think this type of the government of the day should be quite magnanimous enough, and statesmanship should be shown by the government. So, Ebashin reporter it is not correct. Stifling of democracy, press is not the order of the day as far as the ruling government is concerned. We require more statesmanship as far as the government is concerned, and we strongly we consider that that press should not be stifled. If at all somebody has made a mistake, if at all there is anything, we could come to terms as far as apologies are concerned, because there are many times that press has given apologies on the front page. I think the previous chief minister also has made एकदा बरें कोत्तें कोण सांगनात, फकत वायट कोत्तें सांगतात. हें ऑर्डर जालो आहा गव्हर्मेंटाचें, हें आमकां हें जायना. आमचेर जायत जाणांनी कोंत्र बरयला. I remember when Digamar Kamath was there, how much was written against him, but never we have castigated anybody. Anyway, but we strongly denounce these things. This is not acceptable. Somehow the government should know it. We will be taking up this issue among ourselves and in the house also.